Received a TWB file from a data analyst and need to view the visualizations? This is the working file format for Tableau, the popular business intelligence platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open, explore, and work with these Tableau Workbook files. Avoid future frustration. Download a dedicated, non-proprietary file viewer. These tools are masters at ignoring small TWB errors. Take a shortcut and download now. A user with a TWB file is working with Tableau, a leading data visualization tool. This file contains the structure and layout of a data dashboard, including all worksheets, stories, data connection information, and metadata like calculations and groups. Crucially, it does not contain the source data itself. The TWB file is an XML-based document. This human-readable structure was chosen to make workbooks easy to parse, generate programmatically, and even manually edit. It stores all layout and logical information for the visualization, while referencing an external data source, a design choice that keeps the file size small and portable. The recommended application from Tableau Software, a Salesforce company for handling TWB, is unequivocally Tableau Desktop. The file's embedded objects and layers require specialized software for full access. Windows can show basic information, but fully understanding the data requires the program that created it. Your initial diagnostic move: right-click the TWB file and choose Open With. If Tableau Desktop is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. Remember that different software supports different TWB variants. When your TWB file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. The file didn't cooperate. Let's now transition to these 3 highly effective troubleshooting steps to conquer the TWB problem. First, opening in Tableau Desktop. Launch Tableau Desktop and use File then Open to select the TWB file. Tableau loads the workbook and attempts to connect to the referenced data sources. Provide credentials if prompted for database connections. The workbook displays with all dashboards, worksheets, and visualizations ready for interaction and editing. Next, viewing in Tableau Reader. For free viewing of Tableau workbooks, install Tableau Reader. However, Reader requires TWBX packaged workbook files rather than TWB files. Ask the workbook creator to export as TWBX, which embeds data sources. Tableau Public is another free option for viewing and creating Tableau visualizations online. Finally, examining XML Structure. Open the TWB file in a text editor like Notepad++ or Visual Studio Code to view the underlying XML. This reveals data source connections, calculated field formulas, and dashboard structure. Editing XML directly enables advanced workbook modifications but requires careful changes to maintain valid Tableau workbook structure. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.